Hi, I'm Dr. Osman. Sometimes we have to do the mock-up during the orthodontic treatment. When we are using the analog way, it may be challenging to take a silicone impression. Digital dentistry saves a lot of time and money and is very predictable. When we use an intra-oral scanner, we can export the virtual models in STL, PLY or OBJ format. Then it's very easy to remove the braces digitally and prepare the mock-up. After finalizing the digital mock-up, we can print the model using a 3D printer. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure you subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Hope to meet you. Bye.